Hi guys, this is Mandi down at Dayton Andrews Dodge in Clearwater, and today we have the 3.6 liter Summit Grand Cherokee in Hydro Blue for you. Now this does come equipped with the trailer tow group, and it does have your Nappa leather trim bucket seats, adaptive cruise control, 360 camera, blind spot and cross path detection, parallel and perpendicular park assist, so it can actually park itself, which is really cool, and I'll show you guys that in another video in another day. Now we do have the back seat with plenty of leg room, and it does have 40-60 folding split seats, so it gives you a whole even section in the back seat and the trunk, and it also has little sunshades for your little ones. Now let me show you something really cool about the Grand Cherokee Summit. If your hands are full and you guys need to get into your vehicle, all you have to do is kick under it in the back and it will automatically open for you. This one also comes equipped with your tie-down straps to keep any luggage or groceries you may have back here secured and tightened. And you can also close it this way. Now we do have lease specials going on these right now. $779 a month with $3,800 down due upon signing, or $1,000 cash bonus, and 90 days no payment. Now our phone number for us is 727-735-2722, and my name is Amanda, and you can meet me at Dayton Andrews Dodge in Clearwater.